Was there any specific actor जिनके बारे में आपने सोचा?
Rajni sir ka, everything flying. Tanni vedi.
What was your favorite part?
When the director said pack up.
All this action, all this beautiful storyline. It also had some incredible music.
I think without music, it won't have looked how it's looking on screen. So we definitely run on emotion.
So how about at this point of time, let's welcome on stage the man behind the music with a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Haneef Sheikh. Welcome to our show. ये बताइए इस म्यूजिक के पीछे आपका क्या इंस्पिरेशन था?
I think half the work is done the way it's written. This was done, I think, at 2 a.m. in the morning.
Is that your magic hour also?
Yeah, there are no phone calls at that time.
All right. The lyrics, such beautiful words, so apt.
Yeah, because see, everything matches. I think everything has to be apt rather than good or bad. Everything was hand in glove.
So I think this is the right time and the right moment to invite our lyricist, Ajit Shukla. Please welcome him with a big round of applause. He's very colorful. He's a part of so many different things, especially even connected to today. How did you come up with these amazing lyrics?
Our motto is together we are unstoppable, right? तो फिल्म के आखिरी में हमने लाइन जो हमारी कल्मिनेशन लाइन हमने बोल रहा है कि इंजन में गल्फ ऑयल पड़ेगा तो ज़माना बेरोक आगे बढ़ेगा. तो जो आगे बढ़ेगा वाला पार्ट था, that was our hook line and we created बढ़ने से रोक सके ऐसा आसमां कहाँ जो इरादों को थाम ले ऐसा इम्तहा कहाँ. And then Haneef did the magic, right?
Thank you, sir.
आपको म्यूजिक अच्छा लगा? थैंक यू.
देखो, यहाँ पे म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर भी हैं, यहाँ पे लिरिसिस्ट भी हैं, यहाँ पे माही जो बहुत अच्छा गाते हैं. तो क्यों ना 2 लाइनें हो जाएं? Yes, there you go.
वाह, गिटार भी आ गया. Great.
हो.
मैं डर गया था मेरे पास लेके क्यों आ रहा है. I was like, I don't know how to play it.
बढ़ने से रोक सके ऐसा आसमां कहाँ जो इरादों को थाम ले ऐसा इम्तिहान कहाँ.
Thank you so much.
Wow, so inspiring and uplifting and felt so good. But how about we have can anyone sing it in Tamil? Yes?
தடைகளென்று சங்கதியை உடைப்போம் கரடு முரடு பர்வதங்களென்று சேர்ந்து நாம் செல்லுவோம்.
How beautiful! That was the true spirit of collaboration. That was such a nice performance. Thank you very much. Anirudh, how beautifully you sang. Thank you so
That
much.
is together unstoppable.
Thanks for not giving me the guitar.
तो अब हम बुलाते हैं ऐसे अनस्टॉपेबल सोच रखने वाले शख्स को. Big round of applause, the director of the film, Mr. Sudeep Bandyopadhyay. A very warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for joining us. We've got the experience of making this film, from the musical, from the acting perspective, from our superstar.
Thank you for having me here. And I must say that, any director first starts with that script. And when, Ajit explained to me, this is what we are doing. And it was so great. And one more thing, when Mahi sir was there.
How is he as an actor?
Ooh,
Tell us about all the retakes.
he is truly a star. This shoot was a bit complex shoot. So
You also didn't have one actor on set with you.
yes. So that's the thing. So you want to see how we shot?
Let's see some #BTS.
Yes.
Normally you have a film which has one star. And in this case, you had 3 personas to work with.
Yeah.
What was that feeling like?
It was fantastic working with them. It was so smooth.
And Mahi, your experience shooting with Sudeep.
So I think he has done a remarkable job. It got delayed by a bit because at some point of time he decided I want to sit in the bike.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, now is a very, very good time to invite on stage the Managing Director and CEO of Gulf Oil India, Mr. Ravi Chawla. He's the man whose vision has powered not just engines but the dreams of Indian cricket fans everywhere. Under his leadership, Gulf Oil has become synonymous with the unstoppable spirit. Sir, you've seen the final result of your amazing film. Your thoughts on this special day, this special launch?
So many challenges are there for people. And when you come together, you have the values of, I would say, super level passion, commitment, dedication, and boldness. And that's really the spirit of what Gulf is about and what this film is about. Sudeep mentioned about the emotion behind the film. And I think for us, MS has been, taking the Indian team and the CSK team ahead. As they say, in the language of Ajit, which he knows very well, hum aage hi badh rahe hain har kadam berok. So I think that's really what it's about, with which we believe that when Gulf is with you, you can go that one step ahead and keep going. So for me and the team, I'd like to say a big thank you to all of you. And really, this is another campaign of us which takes us to the next level. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chawla. And before we kind of wind up things, I want to ask Mahi a word, your thoughts on this really successful association that you've had for so many years with Gulf.
What I really love about them is, yes, the passion is there, but the way they started getting into the market, they were the first ones to come with the long drain oil, and that actually changed the market. They were always passionate about innovation, what more can be done.
And I think that's why Gulf and Mahendra Singh Dhoni are the perfect fit. Wouldn't you agree? How about a photograph? You're very good at taking selfies, I'm given to understand, MS. Together we are! Together we are! Thank you very much. Thank you for being a wonderful audience. What a lovely afternoon it's been.
हम लोग बहुत सुपर एक्साइटेड थे ये मूवी देखने के लिए, द अनस्टॉपेबल्स।
जब तीनों सुपरस्टार एक साथ हो तो क्या ही बात होगा उसका।
बहुत मजा आया हम लोगों को, बहुत।
धोनी को देखने में किसको मजा नहीं आएगा, धोनी इज बेस्ट।
Together we are unstoppable.